Quorn are now making these meat-free vegan pieces, and I'm going to get to test these today in a beautiful spaghetti bolognese. In this, the Detroit Electric SB01 has a top speed of 155 miles per hour, and on top of that, my favourite fact, it's got 0 emissions. Quorn pieces, with a bit of basil in there. There's no meat you could compare it to. It's just its own beast. It's a meat substitute, but it's not a meat replacement. I think there's two different things. You want the spaghetti and you want the sauce, and then you want some different textured substance, but it doesn't have to be like a meat. And that's what that is. It's really soft, and it melts. You see, it's a bit like chicken, but it's not chicken. It doesn't need to be like chicken. Oh, nice. This is good work from Quorn. Thanks for cooking this, by the way.